Hey friend, welcome to this short tutorial on how to use the Restream app for live streaming. If it's your first time of using the platform, you have to sign up. So I am going to launch my app now. Meanwhile, this is an Android phone. If you're going to stream on iPhone, you have to use the Safari app because the streaming platform does not respond on iPhone if you are using Google Chrome. So you go ahead and type restream.io like this. So let's allow that to load. Since it's my first time here, it would ask me to sign up. I can put in my email address or choose from all of my one of my many email. Alright, so let me choose this one and continue. This is not a paid video, but be rest assured, like, be okay putting your email and also linking your channel because you're going to have to link your YouTube channel. So it's as easy as that. I have just signed up on the platform. So the first thing that you see there is that it's giving me the payment plan, but we are not going to use the paid version yet. So I'm just going to close that, and then I have this blank canvas to work with. Over here at your top right corner, we have the home, past streams, video storage, channels, and analytics. Meanwhile, watch till the very end for me to share with you some tips that can help your video get better views when you're using this app. Okay, so let's just close that. Now, because you want to stream, we're just going to go ahead and type and tap on this new stream. There are two methods. You could either go straight to the studio. You look at this now, you have all these options: Restream Studio, encoder, video file, playlist, and all. Where you're interested in is Restream Studio. That is, you're going to be using the Restream, you're going to be restreaming on your browser direct using the Restream Studio.
One thing about the Restream platform is that it lags. This very place and the place where you are to link your YouTube channel used to give people bottleneck. Like that is the place I used to lag. So you have to be very patient. Now that we are here, you're going to like add your scene. This is the interface you're working with. You can choose to work with desktop or mobile, and for the purpose of this video we're going to be working with mobile, and that's because we want our live video to be in the short feed. So you tap on add scene, and then it will give you these options of display. Like I said, we're going to be using the vertical feature so that our live can appear on the short feed. So you're going to choose that very one and go to add source. When you click on add source, you see all these options. You choose video. When you choose to upload video, it will bring you to a place. Let's allow that to load. It will bring you to this place. You have the opportunity to upload 3 videos, and it has to be short videos because you're using the free version. Now I've uploaded 2 other videos. Let's go ahead and upload another video. Notice how this video is uploading so fast. In this tutorial, it's not always like this. Sometimes that's because this video is just 53 seconds long. Also, after uploading, it will process. Please, you need to give it time, allow it to process fully so that you can get the best result. Also, make sure that you're not uploading very long video. You have just 250 MB slot on each upload, so make sure that you do that. Then you can always delete videos and to add more. That is if you want to add more videos for Restream. Now that our video has been uploaded, we are just going to select it. You are just a few steps away from going live, but then watch this video till the very end for some tips on how to make your videos get more views. Now we're going to edit and rename the video. This is the same as the video titling on YouTube. So I'll typically write an SEO friendly video. I'll use emoji and I'll also put hashtag. As you can see right now, the title we just wrote is not showing. This platform lags sometimes, so sometimes you give it time. Let's just go ahead and add our channel. So over here, you can link your Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are interested in YouTube. So let's just go ahead and connect our YouTube channel. You tap on channel and wait for it to load. Like I said earlier, two bottleneck area. This side you have to be really patient with it. So this time it went really fast. I'm just going to go ahead to choose the email that is linked to my channel. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I am not going to add my channel because I don't want to link any channel to go live. But yeah, this is the exact place where most people have issues. If you're having issues here, upload your Google Chrome app or try again next time. It will definitely connect. All right, this is something I've done before and I'm doing daily. So that is a spot where you add your channel. Now the next thing for you to do is to loop your video. You're going to loop your video now. If you tap on the screen, you see these three dots on your top right corner. You can always adjust your audio here too. Make sure that that loop video is ticked. If the loop if the loop feature is not ticked, then you are not looping yet. So make sure that it is ticked. Like I said, the platform doesn't respond sometimes, so you have to just make sure it is ticked. So let's just go back and make sure that that is ticked. Now you can see that one is ticked. So from here you can basically go live. You can go live from here. All right, I promised you some useful tips earlier, so let's just go ahead and tap studio.youtube on our browser. I don't use the mobile version, so I don't know if it's the same on mobile, so just use the web browser version. Now that you're here, tap on the second icon, which is the one that has the content on your YouTube studio. What we want to do is to edit our live stream. Yes, you can edit your live stream even when it is live. The only thing here is that I am not live streaming currently, but I'm showing you exactly where to go. You go under live and edit it like you normally edit your normal video. This is for SEO purpose. By that I mean the title, the description, the label, that is the AI label, and then you open show more and also choose the category of the video. So that is exactly what you're going to do to make your video appear more in the short feed. Now this is an afterthought because I figured some people will be needing the information. So since you have just 250 MB slot for each video, if you notice my video is just 30 seconds long, obviously you know how to edit video, so make sure your video is about 2 to 3 minutes long. Now that's not the only thing, because sometimes your video can be that short and it will still be heavy because of your resolution. So what you can do is adjust your resolution over here. You can always adjust, increase or reduce. The main thing is that your video is not over 250 MB long. If you see, this video is just 32 MB. All right, that would be all for this tutorial on how to use the Restream app. I tried my best to make it very simple. I showed you every single thing that you need. But if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment. No question is too small or too flimsy. I don't know. Just drop your questions, all right? And if you enjoyed the video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.